In 2016, Kenya's President Uhuru Kenyatta signed into law a bill capping bank interest rates at 4% above the central bank benchmark rate. The legislation imposes limits on bank lending and deposit rates. But a former Kenya Central Bank governor says the good intention has come with negative effects.
The people it was supposed to protect is hurting them. It is reducing private sector credit growth. So essentially, those are undesired consequences.
In a show of support, Bank of Uganda Governor Emmanuel Mutebile says Uganda cannot afford to control interest rates. He says it constrains the ability of small businesses to obtain capital and finance for investment.
The SME sector is crucial for the future growth of the Ugandan economy and the creation of employment. Capping interest rates would constitute a dangerous act of economic self-damage.
In Uganda, high interest rates have seen traders lose their businesses and property to banks because of failure to honor their repayments. Banks and other financial institutions are meeting in this room to discuss the future of banking, the next stage of development of banking that seeks to replace existing traditional banking models with models more appropriate to addressing the urgent issues of financing much-needed projects on one hand, and on the other hand, making banking more accessible to the majority of the population at a cost they can afford. And financial analysts say the main drivers in the next stage of development will be deepening the scope of financial institutions to fulfill huge unmet needs for basic financial services and new technologies.
All participants in the financial markets look at costs, cost of loans, cost of services. And if you have an efficient technological platform, that is going to reduce costs. And that is what we are really looking at as the future of banking.
According to Uganda's central bank, African countries are poised to enjoy a surge in growth in their banking systems, but this will, among others, be through innovations like mobile money. Baleke, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.